Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the Dynamic Engineer. So today's topic is about the quantity surveying, about the different types of unit weights that we do use in our quantity surveying. Okay, so here are some of the important unit weight that I'm going to write for you people. You do need to have a notebook and pen in your hands so that you may be able to write it, and this will help you during the process of quantity estimation. Okay, so as I have written here, the unit weights of different material. So the very much important unit weight during RCC construction, there are two: the steel and the concrete. Okay, so the unit weight of steel is 7850 kg per meter cube. Okay, this is the unit number first. That is the most important one, and whenever you are calculating the quantity of steel during any construction, you will have to keep this thing in your mind, that the unit weight of steel will be considered as 7850 kg per meter cube. And the second one, that is the concrete. So for concrete we have two types, the PCC, and the second one is RCC. Okay, so actually RCC does include the weight of steel as well. So whenever you are speaking just about PCC, you will have to consider it as 2400 kg per meter cube, and whenever you are considering it as RCC, its weight will be considered as 2500 kg per meter cube. Now the difference between the PCC and RCC is basically the steel. Okay, in RCC we do consider the value of steel as well, and in PCC we just consider the aggregate, the cement, the sand, and nothing more. So that is why its weight is 2400 kg, while in RCC the weight of PCC plus the weight of steel is included. That is why its weight is considered as 2500 kg per meter cube. Okay, so the RCC, this is actually the RCC structures. Okay, now some other materials includes bricks, an important, and the bricks got a unit weight of 1800 kg per meter cube. Okay, whenever you are calculating the weight of bricks, you will have to take it is 1800 kg per meter cube. This value helps in design of structures as well, because we do consider the weight of bricks as a dead load, and whenever you are designing a building, you will have to consider the weight of bricks as 1800 kg per meter cube if you are using System International or SI units. Okay, unit weights, and I forgot that it is an SI units. Okay, now another weight is about the aggregates. Okay, aggregates. So there we have two types of aggregates, the fine aggregate, and the second one is the coarse aggregate. You may know the difference between the fine aggregate and the coarse aggregate. So the value of weight for fine aggregate is 2350 kg per meter cube, while the same value for coarse aggregate is 2300 kg per meter cube. Now you must know the difference between these two values, that fine aggregate got more value per meter cube than coarse aggregate. And why? The reason is because during the fine aggregate filling, the pores between different types of aggregates is filled by the fine aggregate, the most fine aggregate, and that is why it got more weight than coarse aggregate. You can say that coarse aggregates are more porous per meter cube whenever you are calculating the weights of course aggregates. So that is why it got a difference between these two values. Now the third value, the third material that is the important one is the soil. Okay, soil is also an important one, especially whenever you are working in any company that got expertise in excavation works. So soil quantity is calculated as 1600 kg per meter cube. Okay, this is a normal value. This can vary by some percent depending upon the soil particles. If soil particles are coarse, then its weight may be little bit lesser than this one. This is a general value. Whenever you are calculating the weight of normal soil, its weight will be 1600 kg per meter cube. Okay, so these were some of the important unit weights that helps you out on daily basis if you are working on any construction site or in any quantity estimation office. These things will help you a lot. Okay, so you don't need to keep these in your mind. I hope that you would have learned something. Please don't forget to share your experience so that I may share other videos for you as well. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.